Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming access and safety. Sign into settings with your Apple ID and make sure you have family organizer rights. If not, ask the organizer to act. Once done, back up photos and contacts to iCloud or to a computer so nothing is lost. Next, open Settings, tap your name, and choose Family Sharing. This moves you directly into the control panel where removal options appear. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and your device is unlocked before proceeding. You now perform the core action. If you're the organizer, tap the family member, choose Remove Member, and confirm. This stops their shared purchases and subscriptions. If you're a member, scroll to the bottom and tap Leave Family, then confirm. This ends shared Apple Music, iCloud storage access, and location sharing. Make sure to read prompts about subscriptions and shared purchases, because purchases stay with the original account. After leaving, some services may require re-signing in or repurchase. Finish by verifying account state. Open App Store and iCloud settings to confirm family access ended and check shared subscriptions. If something behaves oddly, apps not updating or storage still shared, sign out of iCloud and sign back in. This refresh often resolves sync glitches. If you can't remove someone because of permissions, contact the family organizer to remove you, or if errors persist, contact Apple support with your Apple ID. They can confirm account links and walk you through removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.